What's up, y'all? It's your girl T, and we back at it with another video. I'm here to give y'all the tea on the lip gloss business that I am starting. Okay, so right now, I don't know if y'all can see, my lighting here is, like I told y'all before, terrible, but I got on secrets. Yeah, and today's video is going to be a unboxing of some stuff that I ordered, as well as it's going to be the essentials that you need to start a lip gloss business. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. Before we get into this video, I need y'all to smash that like button, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell to get notified for when I post so you can be the first to watch, okay? Thank you. Okay, so first, I did open some of the packages just because I wanted to see what it was that was coming in. Some of the stuff I got from TKB Trading, some of the stuff I got off of Amazon. So some of the stuff is open, but I haven't really used anything. So I already know what this is, so I didn't open it just because it said what it was that was on the box. And it was the only thing that I had ordered from them. I'm opening here with y'all. Okay, so I got a big base this time, y'all. Huge, okay? This is, again, off of TKB Trading. I think this was like $50-something. I think it was like 57. Yeah, it was something like that. But I knew I needed this just because the small ones like this size, they was going like too fast. So I'm like, I might as well just invest a little bit more money and get the big bag. So this what this is. And let's do this one. This box is off of Amazon. And I didn't get this off of Amazon. I got these off of Etsy. But I should have ordered them. Just went ahead and I did end up ordering the ones off of Amazon, but these are super small, so that's why I end up ordering the ones off of Amazon. These are the pouches that I'll be doing the wholesale orders in, and they are like super small. I'm gonna open them so y'all can see. But I couldn't believe how small these was. I didn't even know they came this small. Like, look at this. So I figure, like, I don't know if I have a sale or something that I can put some in here, but this won't hold really like nothing. Like, I don't know what I'm gonna do with those yet. I don't know. But yep, I got those. I wouldn't say that's necessary for like an essential item when you starting off. Me personally, I wanted to do everything when I launched. So yeah, that's just me. But anybody that's starting off and got a set budget or something like that, I would recommend just getting the stuff for the lip gloss, which is, you know, just like the lip gloss is. I got this to send my packages off, like stuff to, like, you know, to make it cute. Send my packaging off, but I got this off Amazon as well. And it's just some crinkly cut paper, like shredded paper that's crinkled. I believe this was like $10, $9.99 or something like that. So yeah. And then I got some more lip gloss tubes off of Amazon. I ordered the tubes after the fact. They haven't came yet. I ordered some different tubes from a vendor, so I just ended up doing that. But I still want to keep, you know, making lip glosses and stuff, so I just decided to get some of these tubes as well. Oh, and these are 15 milliliter. I can't remember how much these were, but I want to say it's 10 in here. Yeah, it's 10 in here. I can't remember how much they was though. And my phone not in here for me to even look to show y'all, but I'll try to link everything in the description box for y'all. Cause I know y'all gonna be like, well, which one? I know y'all, cause I be the same way, okay? I ordered these a little while ago. If y'all watched my last video, y'all, I told y'all that I tried to start doing lip glosses like a year ago. And it was like an epic fail because I forgot about the oils and stuff. But I ordered these a little while ago. I can't remember how much that I bought them for. But I was sending my lashes, the lashes that I sell in these. And I got these off of Amazon as well. They just some 6 by 10 envelopes. It was it's a pack of 25. So yeah, you'll need those if you're shipping items out. If you're just doing like locally, you won't have to, but with the coronavirus going around, I will just be doing online. I think I want to do like when outside open back up, y'all, you know, I think I want to do like a pickup for certain days for some, you know, sometimes for local people. But I don't know, I have to see how everything gonna be after, you know, this. So of course, the essential item, you're gonna need your gloves. Can't read about your gloves. Of course, sanitation, gotta be sanitary. I ordered these as well, which is, I will be putting the organza, these are called organza bags. So I'll be putting the organza bags in each packaging, which the lip gloss or the lashes will be inside of there, and then they'll go into these. So, you know, pink and pink. Okay. And then we have, okay, so I didn't open this. This came from Amazon as well. I don't even know what this is. I want to say they my syringes. I ordered some syringes, some more. I ordered an 8-pack. Yeah, these are syringes. So they come individually wrapped, of course. And these are 60 milliliters. I want to say these was like $10 as well. I want to say. Look, y'all, it's been a long process. I got 3 kids. I can't be remembering, you know, how much I paid for everything. Okay. If it's something that I need, I know I need it, I just buy it. But I'm going to try to again link everything in the description box. I don't know if this is, I don't know what this is either. Oh, these is the pouches that I end up ordering off of Amazon, the same as the other ones for my wholesale orders. So yeah, so it's a couple of them in there, in here. I'm sorry. So I'm gonna keep the tops in there. So I think it was like 5 of each. Yeah, I think these are the 8 ounces and these are the 16 ounces. So as of right now, I'll just be having 8 ounces and 16 ounces for anybody that is wanting to start a business and don't know, starting their lip gloss business and don't know where to start. I'll become a wholesaler for the lip gloss and be able to, you know, you'll be able to purchase from me, okay? So I bought this off Amazon as well. It's a scale. It's a kitchen scale, actually. I want to say this was $10. It's so cute. It's pink. Y'all would think my favorite color is pink, but I just like to be girly with my stuff. Like, I don't know. Like, my real favorite color is purple. But pink is, you know, close to purple. So, we there. But no. It's a kitchen scale, whoop whoop. And I figured out, of course, need these when I'm shipping out items and need to know how much everything weigh with everything in the packaging to get it shipped off to you guys. I already started making my website. So we coming up on everything for me to get everything to y'all. And batteries come with this as well, because it's battery operated, of course. So batteries come with it too. I'm gonna put this back in here. So yeah, I purchased my domain name already online for my website. It's gonna be made to the T. Okay, you know, since we hand making the lip gloss, and it's gonna be to the T, because y'all know my last name was Lash to the T. Yeah. So, and then these are some items that of course I had already ordered in the other videos that I had posted of me making lip glosses and everything. But I'm just gonna let y'all know the essentials of everything that I had already had. So I had some oils, which is the coconut oil. I have the coconut oil. I have almond oil, and I have castor oil. I have some bowls because of course I ordered, well, I'm not gonna say I ordered, I got these from the dollar store just in case like I need to store some base or anything like that. I got some of these, they came in a pack of 3, they was only $1, so you can do that as well. This came from TKB Trading as well. There's some pigments that I ordered. This is what I have on now mixed with that. A couple of glitters and pigments there. I purchased this, I think 100 came in here at the time. I Lysol everything down, so that's why I like the tag. The tags is like this on everything. But anyway, I think it was like 100 that came in here. It wasn't much. Can't remember the exact amount. But you're going to need these. I've seen some people use straws, so I guess that would be good too. Just not too sure because I never used those. But pipettes, next best thing, okay. I ordered these off of Amazon as well. And these are dried red rose petals. They are for my my oils. And yeah, for my lip oils, I guess I should say. Those are for my lip oils. And then I found a vendor for instead of using TKB Trading, not saying that I won't use them for my pigments, but I did order some, and then I ordered some from a vendor as well, just to try out some new fun colors and everything. But yeah, got those. I ordered these, which they are 24 karat gold leaves. I don't know if y'all can see. Yeah, y'all can see. Okay, so they are basically they're edible. I put these in my oils with these, my lip oils, to make it look, you know, cute. So yeah, those are going to be my rose gold lip oils. And of course I bought a combo pack of nice spoon and fork set just to stir everything, mix my lip glosses up in. And I am waiting on my labels. I'm still waiting on my labels, y'all. Y'all just don't know. I've been waiting on my labels for forever. I ordered them off of Avery.com. And originally they said they was going to be here the 9th. I ordered them like May 1st. It may have been before then. I don't know. But I know they shipped out on like the 4th or something. No, I had to order them, I think, in April. The end of April. Anyway, they ain't here. They were supposed to came Saturday. I tracked the package. It says in transit. It's in Michigan, but it don't say like when it's coming. It still show the 9th. And I would say like they done transferred it to USPS location, but it don't show which location to see if I can even pick them up. It just show like UPS had it at first. They were supposed to deliver it on Saturday. and they ain't here. Okay, I know this COVID is, you know, out here, but sis need her stuff, okay? And I ordered these, which are the lip oil containers that I'll be putting the lip oils in. I gotta wash them and everything. They came in a pack of 24. I washed some of them, but I didn't wash all of them, which I don't know why. That was backwards, I know. But I didn't wash these yet. But I only made a couple just to see, you know, how it's gonna be. So these are gonna be my rose gold lip oil. You see the gold flakes and the dried roses in there. It's so cute. So cute. But yeah, so these will be on the site as well. And I have made a couple of lip glosses already, but I was just really playing around with them. I'm not gonna say experimenting. I don't really know what to say. You know, I mean, they turned out, they were good, of course. Like, you know, I'm rocking them now. I gave a couple of my lash clients that purchased lashes to try them out and everything. So, you know, they said they were good as well, but I was just testing them out just because they're 8 milliliters. I just felt like I wanted them to be a little bit more bigger. That's why I ordered the other ones from off of Amazon that I showed y'all a little before, you know, this. But I have wanted my sizes to be a little bigger than this. But this will be one of the colors that I'll be launching with. And it's so cute. We got like a little pearl tint to it. And of course, the one that I have on right now, this one will be Secrets. Purple sprinkles, you know. Sparkly. Girls love stuff that sparkle. Let me tell you. Because, baby, I'm one of them, okay? And then I have this kind, which is like a nude color. I think this is gonna be Oh Baby. Oh Baby. Yeah, Oh Baby. And then I got this hot pink kind, which this one, I did a video on this one. I made this one popping pink. Okay, we're gonna be popping pink. It's so cute. And then of course I did the crystal clear. So that's gonna be the crystal clear. Okay, y'all. But other than that, I do got some more stuff that's coming in. I'm waiting on my labels and my new tools from my vendor, and then I'll be able to launch. Like I told y'all, I got my website and everything set up. I'll be starting out with 6 different colors and style, 6 different glosses. I'll be starting off with 6 different glosses. I just don't know of how many I'm gonna start off with of each yet, but we're gonna figure it out, okay? We're gonna figure it out. And hopefully y'all like this video. Comment, subscribe, and that's just that on that. If y'all got any questions, let me know. If y'all got any suggestions about this video, leave them down in the description. I'm sorry, leave them down in the comment box below. Other than that, if y'all like this video, give it a like, comment, of course, share with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. And other than that, that's about it. I thank y'all, and stay tuned, okay?